How to make your camera full screen in Snapchat. First thing guys you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to Snapchat like this and then click on stop or force stop. And then all what you want to do is go into the permissions. Make sure to enable the camera permission and then go back to the home page, open the Play Store, search for Snapchat and click on update. After you update your Snapchat, the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you may have the last solution, which is go to the apps and remove Snapchat from your phone and re-download it again, and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the end.